So go to super sums, question number 16. Are you there on question number 16? See, question number 16 was asked for how many marks? It was asked for 8 marks. 8 marks it was asked for in your July 21 exams. Okay, that year exams happened in July. Okay, maybe due to COVID. I don't remember the exact reason, but it happened in July. That's why July 21. Pay attention with full focus. When so much data is given, first check what is asked finally. Huh. So the question says compute net GST payable. Okay. So listen to each point systematically. I am not going to solve with you, but each and every point I am going to explain you, and immediately you have to complete in your notebook. You have to compute net GST payable. Net GST payable means output tax minus input tax credit. So let's see whether information is given with all the required things. Okay, see, X Electronics is registered manufacturer of electrical appliances. Very good. It made contract with dealers. Can you underline this? What contract it has made with dealers? Purchase of ACs of capacity 1.5 ton in the month of October for quantity of more than 50 units will entitle them for 10% discount. So friends, discount is agreed to be given before supply or after supply? Means my question is, the two questions actually. This discount will be given after supply or before supply? Yes, purchase of ACs of capacity 1.5 ton in month of October of quantity of more than 50 units will entitle them for 10% discount. In short, I have to understand if quantity increases beyond 50, the customer will get discount. Let's see now. 10% discount. So this discount can be excluded because it is nicely as per the terms. It's not given haphazardly. It is as per the terms. So here we are using concept of valuation. Section 15, subsection 3. Assessable value shall exclude discount. Interstate supply, underline this point. Interstate supply made in the month of October is 50 lakhs. Why I am asking you to underline this point? Because earlier I solved this question, I overlooked this point. So if you overlook this point, you will miss output tax of IGST. On interstate supply, there will be output tax of IGST, isn't it? On 50 lakhs. So don't forget, you have IGST also. And now they are giving you details of intrastate supply. In intrastate, what is the first supply you have made? Microwave ovens of 15 lakhs. Second, refrigerators with stabilizers. You understand stabilizers? What do they stabilize? Power. So basically, if there is a lot of fluctuation, because of which such issues can happen, because of which it can damage the equipments. So stabilizers, what they do? They regulate the power supply. Anyways, why we are discussing engineering? So there are 2 points. One is refrigerator and second is stabilizers. So my question is, there is a supply of refrigerator with stabilizer, and they have already told you that it is a mixed supply. So you do not have to apply your mind. It is composite or mixed. It is a mixed. So mixed supply is treated as supply of which supply? Yes, mixed supply is treated as supply of that supply which attracts highest rate of GST. Section 8 of CGST Act says so. So rate of GST on a refrigerator is 28% and on stabilizer is 18. So what you are applying? So please highlight 28%. ठीक है, no need to literally highlight, you can underline. Okay, done. So you neglect stabilizers rate. Stabilizers rate is 18. So friends, on 40 lakhs you can apply 14% CGST and SGST each, because no wonder it is intrastate supply. And on microwave oven the rate will be given below, that you can see. And then ACs are supplied of capacity of 1.5 ton at 50,000 per AC, and the accessible value is 50 lakhs. Then we come to intrastate inward supply. Can you tell me why details of inward supply are given? To check ITC. Raw material. Can you take ITC on raw material? Please take. Paid gym membership for employees. Can you take ITC of gym membership? No, ITC is blocked as per section 17 subsection 5 clause B. Block it. And truck purchase for transportation of goods. Yes, you can take, because ITC is blocked only on vehicles which are used for transportation of passengers. Sitting capacity not exceeding 13 including driver. In short, you can take ITC for transportation of goods. Friends, story still is remaining. कहानी खत्म नहीं हुई है. Check. X Electronics made supply of AC one capacity 1.5 ton to only one dealer. Can you double underline? Only one dealer. Why is this data important? Yes, we might have given discount. So go there. What is your inward supply of, sorry, what is your outward supply of AC? Value 50 lakhs. And each AC you have sold for how much? 50,000. Do on your calci 50 lakh divided by 50,000. You have sold 100 units. And when were you going to give the discount? Read here. Discount wala clause you have underlined. Purchase of AC of capacity 1.5 ton in month of October of quantity of more than 50 units. But you have sold how many? 100. So you must have given discount. What is the original supply value? What is the original supply value of AC? Friends, just read out the figure. What is the original supply value of AC? 50 lakhs. I expect only step by step from my students. So 50 lakhs. From on 50 lakhs, they would have given discount of 10%. Means what's the selling price? 45 lakhs. So that third point's 50 lakh will get replaced by 45 lakhs. Do you agree with me? Friends, do you agree with me? And then L, sorry, Mr. L, okay, that is done. Gym membership for employees is not obligatory. Anyways, we know that. That's why we have blocked the ITC already. And an opening balance of ITC is also given 58,000, 70,000 and 10 lakhs. Notes, rate of CGST, SGST and IGST are 9, 9 and 18% for both inward and outward supply, of course, except where specifically provided. Means in that refrigerator stabilizer. For refrigerator stabilizer it is 28%. So there don't take 18%. Both inward supply and outward supply are exclusive of taxes. We had already assumed that. And all conditions for availing ITC have been fulfilled. We have already assumed this also. So can we do it step by step? What will you first like to do? Accessible value you will like to do first? No problem. Let's do it. Give the heading. But many students are feeling that accessible value is already given. So that one adjustment we have to do. 50 lakh minus discount of 10%. Okay, no problem. So what we will do, can we combine calculation of assessable value and output tax payable? That will be making more sense. So give the heading computation of assessable value of intrastate and interstate supply and total output tax payable. Computation of assessable value of intrastate and interstate supply and total output tax payable. All of you, computation of assessable value of intrastate and interstate supply and yes, total output tax payable. Is the heading absolutely clear to all of you? Is the heading absolutely clear? So what you can do, particulars, CGST, SGST, IGST, figures in rupees. All of you, particulars, CGST, SGST, IGST, figures in rupees. Just for 5 to 6 lines. That writing figures in rupees is very important. Particulars, CGST, SGST, IGST, figures in rupees. Start with A point. Supply of microwave oven. Supply of microwave ovens in bracket intrastate, isn't it? Supply of microwave ovens in bracket intrastate. Next line, therefore 15 lakhs into, see it was given, the rate of GST was given here, 15 lakhs into 9% each of CGST and SGST. So what is 15 lakh into 9% each? What is it? Okay, so 1,35,000 CGST, 1,35,000 SGST, dash in IGST. Very good. Now comes most critical point. Supply of refrigerators with stabilizers. Please write supply of refrigerators with stabilizers. That is a mixed supply. Supply of refrigerators with stabilizers. That is mixed supply. Okay. So next line. Open the bracket. Write down 40 lakhs into 14% each CGST and SGST. So friends, what is 40 lakhs into 14% each CGST and SGST? 5 lakh 60,000 CGST, 5 lakh 60,000 SGST, IGST dash. All of you done. Next, one more critical point, supply of AC. Supply of ACs for discount of dash percent. Supply of ACs for discount of 10% as quantum of ACs purchased by a person, as quantum of ACs purchased by a person exceeds 50 in a month, exceeds 50 in a month. Okay, so in bracket please write 50 lakhs minus 10% of 50 lakhs, close the bracket. See 50 lakhs minus 10% of 50 lakhs, close the bracket, into 9% each. I hope all of you understood why 9% each. Why 9% each? Why 9% each? Because that is the rate of GST given. So, what is 45 lakhs into 9% each? 4 lakh 5,000 CGST, 4 lakh 5,000 SGST, IGST will be dash. And then don't forget, next line, what? Value of, I mean, yes. So next line write down interstate supply. So next line in bracket 50 lakhs into 18%. So interstate supply, guys, what is 50 lakhs into 18%? So what is on interstate supply? 50 lakhs into 18%? 9 lakhs. In which column? IGST. So can you please take total? Next line. Therefore, total output tax. Please tell me what is your total output tax? What is your total output tax of CGST? 11 lakhs. SGST 11 lakhs. And IGST 9 lakhs. Did you all get 11 lakhs, 11 lakhs, 9 lakhs? Just ask yourself that if I was not guiding you, then on your own, how much you could have done? Means, what I'm trying to tell you is, if right now I wouldn't have told you step by step, then you would have stuck in any point or you could have done easily. Just analyze that. Then, going ahead, output tax is done. Now focus on ITC. So leave 1 2 lines, write down computation of input tax credit for the month of October. Computation of ITC for the month of October. So whichever point you feel that you might have stuck, work more on that point. Computation of ITC for the month of October. Computation of ITC for the month of October. All of you with me? ITC for the month of October. Particulars CGST, SGST, IGST. Figures in rupees. All of you. Particulars CGST, SGST, IGST. Figures in rupees. A point. Opening balances of ITC. What are the opening balances of ITC? 58,000, 70,000 and 10 lakhs. Check whether all of you are getting 58,000, 70,000 and 10 lakhs. Next line, add ITC on raw material. Add ITC on raw material. All of you ITC on raw material. Next line, open the bracket, show the working. 20 lakhs into 9% each. Because raw material is intrastate inward supply. That's why 9% each. So is it 1,80,000? 1,80,000 and dash. And then next, truck. ITC on truck purchased. ITC on truck purchased for transportation of goods. All of you are getting confidence? How we are applying multiple provisions? ITC on truck purchased for transportation of goods. So next line, 30 lakhs into 9% each. 2,70,000 CGST, 2,70,000 SGST, dash in case of IGST. Please take the totals and tell me what is total ITC for the month. Total ITC for the month, 5,08,000 in case of CGST. For SGST, 5,20,000 for SGST. For IGST, 10 lakhs. Check whether all of you are getting total ITCs for the month. 5,08,000, 5,20,000 and 10 lakhs. Is it? All of you sure? 100%? Now what will start? Utilization of ITC to pay output tax. So leave 1-2 lines and write down computation of net GST payable. Now we'll start computation of net GST payable. All of you, can we start computation of net GST payable for the month of, which month we are doing the working? Yes, for the month of October. Computation of net GST payable for the month of October. Particulars: CGST, SGST, IGST, figures in rupees. All of you, particulars: CGST, SGST, IGST, figures in rupees. Shall we go ahead? A point, please write output tax. A point, output tax. So your output tax is 11 lakh, 11 lakh and 9 lakhs. Did you all get 11 lakhs, 11 lakhs and 9 lakhs? Sure. Acha, which ITC will you use first? IGST. What is your ITC of IGST? 10 lakhs. But what is the output tax of IGST? 9 lakhs. So you can pay full output tax of IGST. After that, how much will remain? 1 lakh. That will be used equally. That can be used in any order, any proportion. But better you use equally. Why you use equally? Your output taxes are 11 lakhs and your ITCs of CGST and SGST are 5,08,000, 5,20,000. So, anyways, none of the ITCs are covering the output tax. There's a huge gap. Use equally, don't apply much mind. So, next line, less ITC of IGST utilized to pay output tax of IGST. All of you, ITC of IGST utilized to pay output tax of IGST. In which column you are taking? In the IGST column, in bracket. Yes, in IGST column in bracket, 9 lakhs. Please put it in bracket. Whatever you have to minus, you always put in bracket. Next line, therefore, balance GST payable. Immediately you tell me what is balance GST payable. 11 lakhs, 11 lakhs and 11 lakhs, balance GST payable. 11 lakhs, 11 lakhs and nil. 11 lakhs, 11 lakhs and nil. Done till this point. Next line, less balance ITC of IGST. Balance ITC of IGST. of rupees. What is balance ITC of IGST? 1 lakh. This is 1 lakh. Balance ITC of IGST of rupees 1 lakh. Balance ITC of IGST of rupees 1 lakh utilized to pay output tax of CGST and SGST in bracket assumed equally. Balance ITC of IGST of rupees 1 lakh utilized to pay output tax of CGST and SGST in bracket assumed equally. So how much you are using for CGST? In bracket 50,000. How much you are using of for SGST? 50,000. All of you got? What did you get? 50-50? 50,000, 50,000? Achha, by the way, any other utilization way was also okay. I am doing it 50-50 equally. Do you agree with me? Please do that and tell me next line. Therefore, balance GST payable. So what are your balance GST payable? 10,50,000 CGST, 10,50,000 SGST and IGST 0. Next line, less ITC of CGST utilized to pay output tax of CGST. What is the ITC of CGST utilized to pay output tax of CGST? 5,08,000. Please write in bracket 5,08,000. Dash in SGST, dash in IGST. And last point, less ITC of SGST utilized to pay output tax of SGST. May I know what is ITC of SGST utilized to pay output tax of SGST? So dash in CGST column, in SGST column, in bracket 5,20,000 and dash in IGST column. Can you please tell me what is next line? Therefore, net GST payable 5,42,000 of CGST and SGST 5,30,000. Isn't it? Did you understand? If you see the solution that ICAI has given, they have done utilization in a different way. But still, their answer is also correct. Your answer is also correct. There could have been many answers. Okay. See what they have done. They have used ITC of IGST remaining directly to pay CGST completely. So no problem. Their net GST payables are coming to 492 and 5,80,000. But yours are coming 542 and 530. Doesn't make any difference. Why doesn't make any difference? Eventually how much you are paying in cash remains same. And there is nothing to be carried forward. So it doesn't make difference. So write down notes. Congratulations, you have packed the bag. No. You had to write the notes. Otherwise, you will get only 5 marks out of 8. Notes matters, guys. Notes matters. This is, even though this is a MACD generation, notes matter. No shortcut. Notes. First note. First note. I will just give you a hint for what you have to write the notes. First note, discount is excluded as per section 15 subsection 3. Discount is excluded as per section 15 subsection 3 for computing assessable value. Discount is excluded as per section 15 subsection 3 while computing assessable value. Second, as per Section 8 of CGST Act, as per Section 8 of CGST Act, mixed supply is treated as supply of that particular supply. Mixed supply is treated as supply of that particular supply. Mixed supply is treated as supply of that particular supply which attracts highest rate of GST. Mixed supply is treated as supply of that particular supply which attracts highest rate of GST. Clear? You know which point to link it with. Third point, Section 17, subsection 5, clause B of CGST Act. Section 17, subsection 5, clause B of CGST Act has blocked ITC on membership of health club, gym, fitness center, etc. Section 17, subsection 5, clause B of CGST Act has blocked ITC on membership of club, fitness center, gym. And last note, 49.5. Thank you very much. See you in the next session. Bye bye.